Hello friends, welcome to Rahman's Coding once again, and this is our fourth tutorials of anchor tag. And today we are going to learn how to give anchor tag to navigate a specific article in the same page. All right, and along with that we also see how to navigate a particular paragraph by giving an anchor tag. All right, so let's begin. So guys, let's begin. So first of all, we will give it a title as, I can say, navigate to different paragraphs. Okay, and then in the body, suppose there is one paragraph, a long paragraph. Okay, so first of all there would be a title to that paragraph. I will give h1 tag, I will close that tag, and suppose I will give that title as, suppose, taxes. Okay, and then this is the title. Then I will, in the paragraph, I will write the text. Okay, so I already have some text. You can take a text from anywhere, from newspaper if you want to trial. Okay, so I just copy something for the sake of just show you guys. Okay, so this is it. Some more. I want as much as required so that you can understand how to navigate, if the texts are too long, and how to navigate it on the same page. So here we go. Okay, this is it. And if I'll save, and in the browser, if you see now, this paragraph is coming over here. Okay, now similarly I will give few more titles and paragraphs. So okay, let's give one space br tag. Okay, and then hr. This is just give a line, at the downside. All right, and here we go. I will again give a title as h1 tag, and this time I will give title as research. Okay, so this is it. I will give the title name as research, and paragraph once again, and I will write something. I will take one more paragraph. Here we go. Okay, so all right, so I will save it, and I will show you how it looks like. See, so these are two paragraphs. Okay, I have given. Okay, now let's moving on to, let's give one more. Okay, this is the last one, and again br tag, so to give some spaces, and hr to give one line so that the paragraphs will be get separated, and again the same thing, h1, and the forms will be the title, or whatever you want. This is just an example. Here we go, and I will just copy paste some more article from somewhere. Here we go, and save it. Come here, save the pages, and again I will show you how it looks like. See, okay, so this much article we have. So what is our motto here? That you can navigate in the same page from one paragraph to another directly. All right, so how to achieve this is I'm going to show you now. So what we have to do now, that to achieve that navigation, I will just give one anchor tag here. Okay, and after that I will give this anchor tag name is equal to, and suppose I will give the name as taxes. Okay, yeah, all right. And this title, okay, I will just put it over here. All right, so here we go. And similarly, let's moving on to the downside, same thing which we have to do. I will just this, so I will again give anchor tag. All right, and I will give it name attribute, and this I would give name as reforms. Okay, and the header title like this. All right, so this is it, and let's moving on to okay, this is remaining. Okay, so for this one, same thing we have to do. I jump directly to the third paragraph, no worries about that. Okay, so here we go, anchor tag once again, give a name to anchor tag is equal to, and okay, here we go. I have given the name as research, and the title as of that paragraph is research. Okay, this is anchor tag name through which you can navigate, you know. So this is very simple, you can just look at it over here. Okay, so h1 tag is there, anchor tag we have given a name attribute and give it name as a research or whatever name you want. All right, but remember this what you have given. Now the most important thing and the last thing, we will, that is a part of a paragraph, so I will just put a paragraph over here. Okay, and again I will give one anchor tag, and I will give href hyperreference to it, and how we can jump to that particular paragraph. It's very simple, we have to just write it on hash. Okay, the hash attribute, what exactly is it will do, it will take you down, means it will jump to that particular paragraph, the name which you have mentioned at the downside, though the first name which we have mentioned as taxes, this one, the name attribute. Okay, this name attribute you will put into hyper reference. All right, and this you can take it and copy it over here. So this is the first one, and I will just quickly copy this 3 times so that I will not waste much time. Here we go, and the second one was research. Okay, here we go. Here I will just paste this and capital R. Okay, because this is the title, and let's moving on to the third and the last one. Okay, the title of this one is reforms. So here we go, and just reform. You can, by the way, you can give a different name and you can give a different title, it doesn't matter, totally depend, it is as per your choice. So now I'm going to save this. Now I will show you how it looks like. So I believe you are able to see it over here. So now if I will just click on research, you see it has taken us down to that page. Okay, now let's go back again, and if suppose I will click on reforms, it has taken us down to that paragraph. So means if you have a very big and huge page and you want your reader that they can easily read your article, so you give the headlines of those articles on top side of your web page, and when they click on those titles, they can navigate to those articles or those pages on the same pages. So friends, I hope that you like this video, and I will appreciate if you may subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.